Today we are going to create the database and how to insert into database, how to store data in the database. And first of all, if you don't know how to install MySQL database software, then please you can comment. Then I will make the video about how to install software in separate, because it takes a lot of time to install the processing. Let me create the database, a student database. For creating a database, we have a command called create. C-R-E-A-T, create database. Database name, suppose I want to create a student database. Now we can student database, create database, student database. After completing the query, you have to use semicolon. Without semicolon, it generates error. Each and every query we must require semicolon after the completing the query. We used to command create because it also used for create the table. Data is nothing but it is same like as folder. We can store multiple table in that database. We have to give database name. After completing the query, we have to run this query. We use control shortcut key, that is control plus enter. We can see that query successfully run. Inside what, when we refresh this, then we can see that a student database. So one most important point, that is we cannot give a space between the database name. Only command between space allowed. Don't space allowed in the name of database name. Then we can see this student database name present in this schema. In this table, not show any table because I am not not create any table in the database name, that is student database. Now it will be highlighted. Suppose we can select the student database, it will be highlighted. Other is normal, which is already created in this software. Database, then we use command use, suppose
I'm not something.
the query executed, then it will be highlighted in the form of green signal. It indicate the query executed. Then we have to use the command use database name, like this. We can select student database, then we can use student database, then it will be highlighted in sidebar in the form of this one thing. This is command is in the form of blue color, and normal string is the form of